Hi, I received some Dukeshill Patisserie as a birthday gift from my sister. So I'll do a little unboxing video to show you how they look. Oh wow. Wow. Look at this. Victoria Spud with chocolate crown, coffee apricot, and a passion fruit citrus. This is fresh, so I'm going to eat this. I can smell it, I can actually smell it. I'm actually making scones today as well. I can smell it, I can smell it, and I'm fasting and I can smell it. Do not lick the finger. That is fancy. I can't believe I got this posted to my house. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh. I'm fasting, so I can't eat this yet. But I will be devouring it soon. I've got a cheesecake. We got the Victoria sponge with the crown. And this is the coffee one on the side there. Wow. Thank you so much for sending me this. I'll put this in the fridge. And got some. It's an ice pack. A fancy ice pack. To keep the cake cool in the post. Thank you so much for sending me this.